Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to convert Google Docs to PDF. First, you need to open up your Docs application on your mobile device. After that, sign into your Google account if you are not already signed in. Then you need to open the Google Doc that you want to convert to PDF. After that, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the Share and Export option in this window. After that, tap on the print option. Now it will likely provide me with the option to print it, but I can choose to print it to PDF if I prefer. So tap on the share icon at the top right corner. Here at the top, you can now see new.pdf, indicating that it has been converted into a PDF document. So tap on the Save to File option. After that, tap on the Save button at the top right corner. After that, it will take this particular document, convert it to a PDF, and then either move it into the Files application or create a copy there. So you need to open up your Files application, and here you can see your document. So tap on it. After converting it to a PDF, you can do whatever you want with it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.